We got 3 flat cedar shelves for a bookshelf I'm building. So now that they're flat, all the same size, it's time to sand the sides, sand the top, make them all smooth, get rid of all these little cut marks, and then they're each going to get a clear epoxy pour over top of them at the top coat. And once that's set and done and cured, we'll build our bookshelf, and fingers crossed the customer, client, likes what I've done. Fresh Brew Woodworks.